Hi. We've received some questions about the Open in Excel feature that became available in a recent update to the cloud version of Dynamics 365 Business Central, so we thought we'd explain the differences between the Open in Excel and Edit in Excel options. If you've been using the on-premise version of Business Central, you might already be familiar with it. The feature has been available in that version for a while. The Open in Excel feature is really just a fast way to get data out of Business Central. For example, so you can do things like manipulate, analyze, print the data, or maybe even just share it with other people. Open in Excel sends the data from the list page you have open in Business Central to a worksheet in Excel on your PC. In Excel, the data is arranged exactly as it appears in the list in Business Central. For example, if you've added or removed columns or applied filters, the Excel worksheet will reflect your customized view. The thing about the Open in Excel option, though, is that you can't make changes to the data and then publish them to Business Central. If that's what you want to do, then use the Edit in Excel feature. The Edit in Excel feature is a little more complicated, but it's also more powerful and lets you work with the data in Excel and then publish it back to Business Central. The one requirement is that you're using a version of Excel for Windows. Edit in Excel automatically installs the Excel add-in, which can read and update your Business Central database. You just need to provide your sign-in information. In this case, I'm already signed in. Edit in Excel does not keep your customized views. The worksheet will contain all columns and all rows that are available to you in the table based on your permissions. In this case, that's the items table. Now, this can mean that the worksheet contains a ton of data, but you can go ahead and apply filters and make other changes in Excel or by using the add-in. Just don't change the data structure. For example, don't change the names of the columns. When you're done, you can publish the data back to Business Central. Refresh the page to see your changes. A quick way to do that is to hit F5, which just refreshes the data on the page. And here's the change we made. Thanks for watching this video about the differences between the Open in Excel and the Edit in Excel options.